BDS first group student study at Center Ayurved campus. Today I will discuss about the acquired immune system. That is start the class. Lymphocyte. Lymphocyte can be classified into three types. One is B lymphocyte, another is T lymphocyte, and another is natural killer cell. B lymphocyte and T lymphocyte is acquired immunity, and natural killer cell is innate immunity. Then acquired immunity. Acquired immunity can be classified into two types. One is humoral, another is cellular. In a humoral, it includes B lymphocyte, the B lymphocyte of plasma cell produce antibodies. So humoral immunity is also called as the antibody mediated immunity. And the T lymphocyte is also called as the T cellular mediated immunity. Then we will discuss about the mechanism of acquired immunity. This is macrophage. This is coronavirus as a pathogen, and macrophages contain this is lysozyme, and it also contain MSC class major histocompatibility second. It is a protein which is made by 15 amino acid peptide bond. Peptide bond is mainly present between the two amino acid. Then this is the macrophage. This is pathogen, and the macrophage is an phagocytic and antigen presenting cell. So the macrophages engulf the pathogen. This is pathogen, and here is lysozyme, and here is MSC class second, and the lysozyme. Then lysozyme contain the digestive juice which digests or disintegrate the pathogen, and the remaining antigen is attached with MCS second class. This is macrophage. Then the MCS class second. This is macrophage. MSC class second bind with antigen and present on the surface of macrophage. Then the receptor. This is T helper cell. The receptor. This is the receptor of T helper. This is the receptor of T helper cell which bind with the MCS class second which contain the antigen. Then the macrophage. Produces interleukin first which stimulates the T helper cell. Then the T helper cell produces interleukin second, which propagate the B cell, and cyto cytotoxic or T killer. Then the growth and development of B cell and cytotoxic or T killer cells should be fast and increase in the number, because they are the involved in the different mechanism. Then the B, then T helper cell. T helper cell stimulate the B cell. Then B cell transform into plasma cell, and another is memory cell. One is plasma cell, another is memory cell. Plasma cell produce the antibody, and B cell memorize. Then T killer cell. Then T killer cell. T killer cell or cytotoxic cell attack to the infected cell or tissue, and it release the cytokinin. The T killer cell or cytokinin cell release the cytokinin, which destroy cytokinin is the chemical which is produced by the cytokinin or T helper cell, which destroy the infected cell or tissue. So we can call as the T lymphocyte is a cellular immunity. Then the plasma cell produce the antibody. Then these antibodies flow in the blood and bind with. This is the antibody and bind with. This is antibody and bind with antigen. Then when the antibody bind with the antigen, then it was engulfed by a macrophage. It was engulfed by a macrophage, and macrophage destroy it. Macrophage destroy it.